Good morning. It's Maggie Barnett, CEO of LVK. And you might notice that I have my green pants on because it's St. Patrick's Day. And I come from a very large Irish family, so I couldn't help but get in the spirit of St. Patty's Day. And with me today, I think this is purposely in a green bag from Tipsy Elves, is my St. Patrick's, I should say the rest of my St. Patrick's Day outfit. Tipsy Elves, tipsyelves.com, at Tipsy Elves is their Instagram. Amazing for Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas. Think if you want to get like family pajamas, if you want really awesome Halloween costumes, anything for that holiday, they have it for you. And what was great about this, I actually had this overnighted. No issues with that. I paid around 29 bucks for it. Totally worth it because I wanted to get it on time. I did get it on time. I'm excited to open it right now. Again, this is my St. Patrick's Day. They used a poly mailer, recyclable, which is excellent. I love that it's in a green bag. I don't know, this is my first time ordering from Tipsy Elves. So I don't know if they always use a green bag, but it's perfect for the holiday. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is a tearaway. Very simple to do. Looks like I could also use it to return if I needed to. And here we go. Inside we have, I have my Lucky Legs knee socks. Excellent. Because you know, it's not St. Patrick's Day without your knee socks. So these are nicely bagged. You can see a barcode on there perfectly. That looks real nice. I also have my packing slip. Has the knee-high socks and the women's clover cardigan. So a couple of things while I open this up, because I know you all want me to try this on to get in the spirit. This is not a super bulky item, but a lot of the items on Tipsy Elves I could see are larger. So let's say, here's a good example. Here are my LVK sweatshirts. If I was shipping these sweatshirts, one of the things you always have to be careful of, you might think, I have a 24 by 24 bag. I'm not gonna get dimmed. However, if you're a brand, you need to make sure, be very clear and be collaborative with your 3PL partner on how big this bag is going to be, and then also how they're going to fold it. Because I tried to fit 2 or 3 larger items. So again, think of the family matching pajamas, those big fleeces, a lot of fun stuff for holiday season. You want to make sure you're not getting dimmed. Sometimes it's better to go into a box. Sometimes maybe it's better to go into 2 bags than trying to stuff that 3rd or 4th extra large sweatshirt or extra large item into that bag. So the main lesson from Tipsy Elves, besides they have super cute things for the holiday, is when you have bulky items, people are ordering in multiples because they have a significant other, they want to do it with their friends and family. This is a really cute cardigan, by the way. I made out on this. If you're a brand that sells items like this or larger items that can fluctuate in size by the number of units in the box, make sure you have rules set up. We use Shapiro WMS, so we're able to set up automation rules where it might say something like no more than 3 extra large sweatshirts in a poly mailer. Because again, it could be cheaper to send out 2 smaller poly mailers as opposed to getting dimmed. So it's really important to have these collaborative conversations with your 3PL. Okay, so now for the fun stuff. Let's try this on. This looks like it's gonna be a perfect fit, green on green. I am very happy about this purchase. Thank you, Tipsy Elves. It got here on time. All right, thanks everyone.